Are you someone who is happy but still don't have peace of mind? Or are you someone who is sad, negative, complaining and always blaming? Or are you someone who has lost a loved one in your life? Then gratitude is the answer for all your problems. Hi, I am Sweetie Gupta and today welcome to Sweetie's Helping Hand. Today we are on day 12 of our confidence booster challenge and the today I am going to talk about gratitude. Gratitude which has been recognized in religion and philosophy. I have experienced it, read about it, so felt like sharing with you. It's that position, it takes you in that position, it makes you so very positive, compassionate, that disturbing situations, things not working out for you, or very things that have touched you hard, it will help you heal, to have peace of mind, to help you live and to move ahead, make this world a better place to live. But the twist is here, the things will be done by you and not others. Now let's go in detail. What is gratitude? Gratitude is being thankful for everything you have in your life, for the air, light, food, shelter, whatever you get. For you get up every morning, you are alive. Can you be thankful for that? How does this affect you? It makes you positive, optimistic, gives you energy. It builds you positive makes it so very positive that every situation you are able to deal with the position of compassion. Have you ever tried? Do it for 1 month and see how the mindset changes. Brian Acton, who was rejected by Facebook and Twitter, said, "It's okay, I have been rejected. It's a long journey for me, and let's see how things work out for me." And then he made WhatsApp, which was later on purchased by Facebook at a heavy amount. Sandeep Maheshwari failed in his starting days, but later on he at that time he enjoyed, he danced, because he took it as a preparation for his future success. The point is, don't accept a poverty mentality. Use gratitude for making a virtuous cycle for yourself. Had it been a medicine, it would have been the most powerful drug. But the good thing is that you are the manufacturer of this drug. You can make it yourself. It help in releasing dopamine hormone which helps you remain happy. How you can feel that gratitude, let that essence flow into your body, feel it deeply and see how the life shift happens. Be it job, business, education, everything, or marriage you are stuck in, still you will be able to move forward. How? Because when you focus on negative, your vision blocks, and when you focus on gratitude, you are able to see greater things in your life that are in abundance, but you're not able to acknowledge it. How can you do? Second part of gratitude is appreciation of people around you. Maybe they are good or bad. It's not that you have to go in to them and appreciate them. No, if you know someone is not good to you, but they are, as a humans, have some qualities, acknowledge them, appreciate them, forgive them. Because it's not about the issue of forgiving, it's about releasing the poison from yourself, from your body, and help you build, help you heal, help you move forward. Because every human being has a good thing. Suppose someone has done something wrong to you and you are hurt, but you want the power in your hands, start appreciating and see how things will happen. People will start asking you, how come you're so very positive in everything you do? There are different, understand gratitude and you will understand peace of mind. What is that? Everything, every single moment will be a sunshine for you. How you can do gratitude? There are different ways. Write a gratitude journal, write in a diary daily everything you're grateful for. Every 5 minutes, either in the morning or before sleeping, say thanks to God for every little thing. I'm thankful to God for the food I have got to eat, for the servant I have got, for the help I have got, for the shelter I have got, for the air I breathe, for the nature I have got, for I'm alive. Be thankful. Help yourself, heal yourself, build yourself. Let me tell you, let me appreciate you. You're so very loving, you're so adorable, you're so perfect. Because you're working on yourself, working on your confidence, working to build yourself. and making yourself happy. And you know what? When you will be happy, world will be a happier place to live. Don't expect things from others. Be yourself. Let yourself be the source of compassion. Assume a spoonful of salt in a glass of water or in a lake of water. Which will be better? Of course, fresh water in the lake, you won't even get that there is salt in it. So what's the point? Volunteer your services, help others, reach out to people, work on yourself. Gratitude can be done in write down as I have shared, it can be done in different ways. Making a gratitude journal, put a pebble in your pocket. Whenever you touch it, be thankful for anything. And let me tell you, I am no one to heal someone's grief. I'm no one to say anything about this, but I am saying this. Maybe I am able to take some pain from the person who has lost a loved one. Let me tell you, we all have 100% chance of dying one day. And the pain you have, don't either choose it. Either you can accept it or you can resist it. But it will be with you. For that person was important for you. And the pain, it's the another form of love that you hold on for that person. Be courageous. Have the courage to smile. Reach out to people, talk to them so that you can be healed. And you can heal yourself by doing this activity of gratitude, because that person is no longer, but you have still a lot of things, and you can be thankful to God for that was precious who came into your life, for the precious moment that person shared with you. The losing someone is a phase, is a point where everyone is helpless, but overcoming that, healing yourself, and acknowledging that person, that you were in my life, you are loved one, you were a loved one, you are a loved one, and I'll always remember you, will help you heal and send the love and come out of that grief. Because it's a duty to live, and in spite of that pain, move ahead, because you ought to live. That don't I'm not saying to leave that person or something wrong. Please forgive me if I am saying wrong, but my intention is just to heal. Have the courage, and all this can happen only with gratitude. Do it. Appreciate yourself, appreciate others, be thankful for everything you have. And I am grateful to all of you for watching these videos and helping me spread the message which I have learned after such a long period of time. And you, let me tell you, you are great because you're working on yourself. But the point is, don't accept poverty mentality. Don't say to yourself, I don't deserve to be here, this person has done this to me, I don't belong here. No, in fact, start giving compassion and make this world a better place to live. I hope I'm able to put my point across. And the topic, it's still repeating, it's the gratitude, thankfulness, appreciation that helps to bring a smile onto your face. Thank you.